In this example, we're looking at a business type problem. If you sell your daily passes at an amusement park for X dollars, they can sell this many passes, negative 0.02x plus 24. How much should the amusement park charge for a daily pass in order to take in $4,000? So here what you need to remember is in order to find out how much money you take in, then you take however many you sell. So the number sold times the price is going to give you the total amount of money that you take in. Or money in. Okay? So what we'll do is take the number sold, which we write as negative 0.02x plus 24, times the price, which is X dollars per ticket, and we want to set that equal to 4,000. So what we're doing is we'll solve for X, which is the amount of money that you charge for a pass. Let's go ahead and open up these parentheses. Negative 0.02x squared plus 24x equals 4,000. I'm going to go ahead and subtract 4,000 from both sides, so I get this equation in standard form. And now you can solve by using the quadratic formula. So remembering that A is negative 0.02, B is 24, C is negative 4,000. And again, what I like to do is this discriminant calculation first. B squared minus 4AC. So that'll be 24 squared minus 4 times negative 0.02 times negative 4,000. And that's a little bit too big of a calculation for me to do in my head, so I'll grab my calculator. What I get is 256. So now I can do the calculation. X equals negative B, so negative 24, plus or minus square root of the discriminant, all over 2 times A, which is negative 0.02. So this is negative 24 plus or minus the square root of 256 is 16. All over 2 times negative 0.02 is negative 0.04. Okay, and now remember this plus or minus, that really means you have two answers. Negative 24 plus 16 over negative 0.04, or negative 24 minus 16 all over negative 0.04. So let's go ahead and do those calculations. Negative 24 plus 16 divided by negative 0.04. So I get 200, or negative 24 minus 16 divided by negative 0.04, which is 1,000. Okay, so how much should you charge for a daily pass in order to take in 4,000? You get two answers here, and they both technically make sense because they're both positive numbers. So you can either charge $200 or you can charge $1,000. One of these doesn't make a lot of sense. If you charge $1,000, you're only selling 4 tickets to make $4,000. And so I think that answer is not really realistic. So you're going to charge $200 per ticket. And that will allow you to sell more tickets and take in $4,000.